dip on the back side there. As you climb out, there's a drift with a track through kind of the middle seat in your side.
Oh, okay, all right. Man, I'm sitting there looking. I don't know if you saw it in the mirror, but that is definitely, it's not a cloud. I'm looking at that. It's a snow. It wouldn't come like a dust storm. That's a snowstorm right there.
Here it comes.
I'm telling you, I mean, this is, there are clouds in the damn sky, except right there. So there's wind in the sky to be howling right there.
Yeah. Well, hopefully it gets the fuck out of the way by the time I get turned around here.
Hopefully. I hear you. You're on good track. You'll be back right here in an hour and a half.
Yeah. Yeah, and hopefully those guys will still be out, keeping it open there, get back through there. And again, it's one lane up on, going out towards 41 mile there. You get up by that rock middle of the road.
Okay, copy.
I better have them do an exhaust gas test or something, but yeah, whatever that gooey stuff in there might be hanging up running through your radiator from time to time.
It could be. And like I said, my wife put out my finger. It's like, well, you know, that could be it. It's like that, sometimes 30% works just fine. I mean, it never overheats by any means. So, I don't know.
Right. There's still one lane up here at the very top.
It's encroaching in your lane. Enough to call it that, yeah. Yeah, it is. Just clean over the southbound lane down there.
Okay.
Yeah, the way that wind's crossing over, you get one, it's probably coming up your windshield anyway.
Right.